Your patience is commendable. We knew this was going to go long. We believe we're on track to win this election. And it ain't over till every vote is counted. Every ballot is counted. But we're feeling good. We're feeling good about where we are. We're confident about Arizona. We also just called it for Minnesota. And we're still in the game in Georgia. It's not my place or Donald Trump's place to declare who's won this election. That's the decision of the American people. Keep the faith, guys. We're going to win this.
This is a fraud on the American public. This is an embarrassment to our country. We were getting ready to win this election. Frankly, we did win this election. We did win this election. This is a major fraud in our nation. We want the law to be used in a proper manner. So we'll be going to the U.S. Supreme Court. We want all voting to stop. We don't want them to find any ballots at 4 o'clock in the morning and add them to the list. Okay? It's a very sad moment. To me, this is a very sad moment. And we will win this. And we, as far as I'm concerned, we already have won it. So I just want to thank you. And I want to thank all of our support.